Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add another Google account on Samsung S25. All you need to do is go to the settings. Then, in settings, go to accounts and sync. Or accounts and backup. Yeah. Then manage accounts. You can see I already have 2 Google accounts. To add another one, just click on Add Account, then select Google. Now, enter your email or password. First, you may need to verify with your fingerprint or screen lock. Enter your email. You can also create an account. Then click on Next, enter your password, and it'll be added. And that's basically it. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.